Thank you. I could see. I could feel your energy through you. Let me take this opportunity tonight. Federation to your sister. Oh. Thank you so much. Eddie, come here. This is the reason we do this. Come on, come on, come on, Eddie. Come on. Federation, come on, join us. Lillian, join us. Bema, join us. Join us if you call Ameria, join us. Join us. Every artist that is here for this. This is the reason why we're here. Not to be knelt for, but to unite. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much. Come on, artists. Come on. This woman has, this beautiful young lady has beautiful, beautiful message. Hey, I'm gonna give you a space again. Just stand right there, and I'm gonna be behind you. Yeah.
It's where I come from. I have a dream of becoming a star. And she inspires me with Azawi. I love her. sure tetwane edda tewaligawo mukisa guno okujja ne tulaba ku ba stars naye you put there an opportunity for us to come
on baby girl, come up.
Last time when I saw kujja wano ne nyimba papa video y'obwerere and imagine that the shooting sene camera generally negomba red. I liked it so much. For real, you people, blessings follow you. Yes, and when come on. Okay,
go on.
I want to be your friend.
You want to be my friend? Okay.
I want to be your friend.
You know what it takes to be a friend to a very loyal person like me? Yeah? Hi guys, officially, I announce a new friend tonight. We are here for this. We are here to share some love. We are here to encourage each other. We are here to cheer you up. We're gonna be each other's cheerleaders. Young Fanana. Hey, how old are you?
I'm 19.
You're 19? Oh my God. I love your confidence. Bananga bawagira Federation Cherry Mukola jagala mukole peace world. Jirengere. Let me see your pizza. Bw'oba olaba Federation kyekola kyakabi okugatta abayimbi n'obbawa omukisa kandi be peace yo waggulu. Tweyanziza nnyo, tweyanzege, tubaagala nnyo. Ate we appreciate you. Waliwo okubaagala naye we really appreciate every time you come here every Tuesday. Mommy, we love you so much. Without you, our president, Eddie Kenzo, I applaud you for being strong. Our president, where are you? Yes. I keep telling him I'm proud of him. Because I know chimanyi si kyangu kuyimirira mu kifo kye tuyimiriddemu. Buli omu atulowooleza kyayagala otulowooleza. But the thing is, the right intentions for the industry. So we're in the right intentions for the industry. No one sees it. This should be a thing because we're fighting for each and every musician. Now I tell you what, the gate is open. Every Tuesday you're welcome. Thank you so much, Mommy, for providing us a safe space for us to come every Tuesday and meet such beautiful talents. So this is the night where we find each other. Wanji Wanyanula Azitayo Mukatandalo Ali Vantelega Naye Wayanzita Wetalo Omukwano Guzanyirira Kebisikandera Katabo Kino Sere Kupangirira Watawano Kafuna Atekari Tekafuna Wate Pantanetayo Tiyenze Buchalo That triangle What